Hi, I'm Matt Frampton with Hot Grill on Grill Action Barbecue Team, author of BarbecueRevolution.com. We're here at the American Royal. We're going to cook some artisan style pepperoni pizzas. Can't wait to show you what we got. All right, the first thing we're going to do with the pizza is put some flour down on this cutting mat, and then we'll set the dough on that flour. That'll let us stretch it out. The goal is to push all of the air from the center of the dough out to the edges. That'll give us a nice airy crust. So now that we have this dough stretched, we're just going to put a little sauce on there. This sauce is made with only Italian certified San Marzano tomatoes. The flavor of those tomatoes, those San Marzano tomatoes, is what makes this pizza true artisan style pepperoni pizza. So just for flavor and because everybody loves bacon, we're gonna put a little bacon down underneath the cheese. That'll give some pop, add a little bit of extra salt taste and some smokiness. And we've gotta have some cheese to make it pizza, so we're just using some blended cheese here. It's 50% whole milk mozzarella and 50% part skim mozzarella. That gives us some good structure. It's not too watery. All right, of course, we gotta top this with pepperonis. And we slice these pepperonis to a specific thickness so they cup, and you'll see this when we put it on the oven. They're gonna cup, they'll hold some of that delicious pepperoni oil in there, and it's really gonna bring a flavor to the pizza that is hard to top. Okay, today we're using the GMG Pizza Oven, and we're gonna put this on here. The stone is at about 670 degrees, which is perfect. We have the GMG set to 275 to achieve that. We'll put the pizza on, close the lid, and about 90 seconds later, we'll give it a 180-degree turn. And then we'll go another 90 seconds and check our doneness. After about 3 minutes, this pizza is cooked to perfection. We're gonna let it just sit here for about 30 seconds and kind of rest before we slice. It lets that cheese reform, and then we'll slice it into 8 slices and hopefully stuff our faces and enjoy. Thanks for watching. It's been amazing cooking pizza with you on the Green Mountain Grill Pizza Oven. I hope you get yourself one and enjoy it. Wonderful time here at the American Royal.